What a festival. It's been a wonderful 5 days. Just on our stage alone, we've had 9 acts a day. That doesn't even include what's been happening over at City of Science, let alone all the events happening at Queensland Museum. And then of course there's QPAC with all the events in the theatres. This has just been an amazing festival, so many activities.
Science is more critical now than it's ever been before, and the ability to have those conversations and to use science and encourage children to be scientists of the future is something we're really excited about.
I've come to see the science experiments and see what there is here.
I love science.
I love science. I love World Science Festival Brisbane.
I look forward to the World Science Festival every year. It's my favourite festival in Brisbane.
It's great to be here. We've come up from Tweed and to see all the exhibits and interactive science activities. The boys have really enjoyed the robots and the displays. It's a really great day out, worth the trip.
It's been a massive festival. What an epic couple of days. Thank you all so much for being part of it, and that's a wrap.